National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Ellis County in north central Texas, northwestern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Berry, or 11 miles south of Venice, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Barnwell around 6:40 p.m. and at around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Garrett. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 248 and 256. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.